Hello there! I am so excited to be unboxing this manga in front of you today. This is going to be Clamp's Clover Collector's Edition manga, which contains all of the volumes that have been released so far. I got this off Amazon at a very nice discounted price, so I couldn't resist. I had my eyes on this for a very long time, and it was just the right moment for me to purchase this. Can you see how beautiful this is? I tell you, this manga is hardcover and extremely heavy. So you will see me struggling to hold it up through this video. And I am amazed that it came to me in perfect condition, considering that I had it shipped to Pakistan. And it's quite thick, as you can see. Really nice color pages. You'll be delighted to see the amount of color pages this collector's edition has and how beautiful they are. I absolutely love the art on each of these pages as well as the colors that they've used. The pages for this collector's editions are quite thick. They're white. And as you can see that the whole book is quite heavy. I absolutely love how the panels on each of these pages have been arranged, how the dialogues have been written, how there is so much space on some of these pages. The contrasts that we have is just so beautiful. You will be just mesmerized by the artistic way this manga has been created. Some more amazing colored pages. I'm trying to flip through the pages and show you the inside of the manga without really spoiling any of the story or the plot. I've always been intrigued as a viewer. Whenever I saw unboxing videos, I would want to look at what the inside of the manga looks like, and that is why in all my unboxing videos I try and show you a glimpse of what the inside of the manga looks like, what the artwork looks like. There is a bonus gallery given at the end of this collector's edition. All of them have colored pages, really, really nice art, brilliant designs. You will love this. This is my favorite artwork of the whole gallery because I love the black and white and the green colors that have been used, as well as both of their stances. My videos might be the most simplistic, but all of these are authentic because I've read and watched everything that I recommend. So please do consider subscribing. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.